With your closed eyes, visualize yourself. You are sitting in cross-leg position, preparing yourself for the prayer. Inhale and start. Om Bhuvasvaha Tassaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Bharvavahe तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the positive vibration of Omkar and prayer. Feel the positive aura beside you, around you, within you. Try to focus on the sound, minute sound, maybe the sound of the fan, sound of the bird, sound of the vehicle. Just focus on that sound. Slowly and gradually activate your mind, open your eyes, and relax. Requesting all, please switch on your video. I want you to see your perfect. Anamika has switched on. Others, Sudhir, come on. Tejpal Singh, Madhav Nayak, please switch on your video so that I can rectify you, basically. Yeah, perfect. Come on. Okay. So today's session is all about back pain. Maybe the lower back pain or upper back pain, anything. As last session was on neck pain, it is further related to that only in detail, basically. Okay. Okay. Let me start the PDF file. Okay. Just a moment. I'm just transferring the file from one to other device. Apologies. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen, everyone? Okay. Shall we start? Ram, give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Okay, perfect. So, starting with the session, it's basically a lecture type session where we would be learning something about the anatomy and something also about in detail, basically about the back. So, see, basically this is a vertebral column. It is everything. ऐसा कहा जाता है अगर आपका बैक अच्छा रहेगा आपका लाइफ टोटली डिपेंडेंट अपॉन योर बैकबोन. सो जितना आपका बैक स्ट्रांग रहेगा उतना आपका लाइफ इजीली जाएगा. इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग विथ योर बैक it would be a bit difficult. Mostly have been faced also. Okay, see, this red part is the cervical. Okay, this is the cervical. Cervical में कितने vertebrae होते हैं? 7 vertebrae होते हैं. Then comes the thoracic, जिसे mid back भी कहा जाता है. The first one was neck muscle, neck bone. This is the thoracic, the mid bone. Mid bone में कितने हैं? Total 12 है. 12 vertebral, मतलब it's a bone, bunch of bone fused to एक के ऊपर एक रखा हुआ है. Okay, then next come the lumbar. Yes, basically this session is all about the lumbar pain, जहाँ पे लोगों को most of the difficulty होती है. Okay, then come the tailbone. Tailbone is this sacrum and coccyx. Okay, उसमें 5 और 4 होते हैं, टोटल 9 होते हैं और वो fused together होते हैं. Okay, you can see this way. How does it look? It's look like a S shape. If you notice, it look like a S shape. सर्वाइकल में C1 से C7, thoracic में T1 से T12. 12 indicates 12 bones. Okay, लंबर में L1 से L5. जनरली पेन किधर होता है? L4 L5 में होता है और स्पॉन्डिलोसिस बेसिकली L4 L5 में ही होता है. ओके, देन सैक्रम एंड कोकेक्स. जनरली टेल बोन का क्या यूज है आज तक किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है. ओके, कुछ पता नहीं है टेल बोन. इन सम ऑफ द पीपल सर्जरी करके अगर टेल बोन में कुछ इश्यू होता है वो सर्जरी करके दे कट इट but still they have no pain. Okay, going next. Okay, see this how vertebral column है. They are fused one by one, एक के ऊपर एक रखा गया है और उसके पीछे से स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जाता है. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के अंदर से अपने पूरे बॉडी के यहाँ से पूरे नर्व जाते हैं. इफ यू नोटिस दिस इज द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. ये जैसा डंडी जैसा दिख रहा है, स्टिक जैसा, दैट इज स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. ओके, दिस इज द वर्टेब्रल डिस्क. वर्टेब्रल बॉडी मतलब एक के ऊपर एक बोन को रखा गया है. जैसे C1 से C7, T1 से T12 is like a bone. Okay, and this is the disc. If you notice this is the disc. Disc nothing but a pillow, cushion. Okay, और ये जो पार्ट दिख रहा है आपको नली जैसा, दैट इज नोन एज नर्व रूट. वहां से ही पूरे बॉडी में नर्व्स पास होती है. ईच एंड एवरी डिस्क से एक नर्व रूट पास होती है जो वेरियस बॉडी पे चला जाता है. एंड दिस इज पेडिकल, जस्ट टू hook the spinal cord. This is clear? Give me a thumbs up if perfect. Okay, so cervical का bone आप देखोगे कैसा दिखता है. It's something like this. Okay, it's a very irregular bone. Okay, and thoracic का bone कैसा दिखता है? It's like this. And lumbar, because lumbar आप देखोगे overall cervical, thoracic and टेल बोन से काफी बड़ा है बिकॉज उसको ही सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्ट चाहिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई नेचर हैज क्रिएटेड द लंबर सच दैट वो बड़ा ही है एंड इट इज वेरी सपोर्टिव. इफ यू नोटिस दिस, देन गोइंग अहेड. सो बेसिकली आई विल शेयर दिस पीडीएफ टू यू. यू कैन डाउनलोड इट. आप ये पढ़ सकते हो इन डिटेल. आई एम नॉट गोइंग दैट मच डिटेल. In regular lecture I explain this everything in detail. अगर आपका C1 में पेन है तो what does it indicates? Okay, now next. See, objective of this workshop is what? This would be a three Sunday, 6, 13 and 27. Okay, please join the 20th session of hip opening, I believe. Okay, so why we have a back pain? How can we prevent it? Okay, if you already have a pain, आपको क्या करना चाहिए? Okay, we would be learning that. See, pain is undesirable and it negatively impact. अगर आपको बैक पे पेन है, you won't be able to do anything. Believe me, you won't be able to do anything means anything. आपका लाइफ कॉम्प्रोमाइज होगा, आप कुछ फंक्शन नहीं कर सकते डेली, लैक ऑफ मोबिलिटी होता है, यू कैन नॉट स्लीप, यू वुड नॉट बी इन अ मूड. आप सोशल इंटरेक्शन फैमिली से भी नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज यू वुड बी लाइंग ऑन बेड. आप सो भी नहीं सकते, आप पीठ में सोना जाओगे, on your spine, if you are going to sleep, you will feel the pain. आप you will not able to sleep only. Okay, आप कुछ काम नहीं कर सकते because you would be lying down. Okay, then back pain. What is back pain? 80% of population suffer this. Okay, 80% of the population suffer during this lifetime. Okay, the the pain in the lower back can restrict your activity and reduce the work capacity, as we have read earlier. Okay, abhi prolonged standing and sitting may also cause pain only and only if your posture is wrong. एक एनाटॉमिकल पोस्चर है, अगर आप उससे डिविएट करते हो अपने आप को, इफ यू आर सिटिंग रॉन्ग, इफ यू आर स्लीपिंग रॉन्ग, तो आपको बैक पेन होगा. ओके, यू may experience back pain when you bend or stretch. ये हम सेकेंड सेशन में देखेंगे ये क्यों होता है. The back pain symptoms include pain, tingling and numbness all the way down to your leg, जिसे साइटिका कहते हैं. कभी कभी क्या होता है, आपके लंबर में पेन होगा ना, it goes slowly and gradually till your leg, lower leg तक पहुंच ही जाता है वो. That is an indication that it is going to the sciatica zone and you need to take precaution, you need to visit physiotherapist, you need to start worrying. Okay, back and leg pain can be caused by the spinal nerve being pinched. Okay, मतलब जो डिस्क मैंने कहा था, if you see this disc, अगर ये डिस्क का गैप बढ़ जाता है, कम हो जाता है या डिस्क आउट आ जाता है, तो आपको बहुत पेन होगा, बिलीव मी. ओके, नाउ गोइंग नेक्स्ट. दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर? अनामिका, कैन यू गिव मी थम्स अप? एवरीवन क्लियर? सो आई एम गोइंग अहेड. ओके, व्हाट इज स्पाइन एंड एनाटॉमिकली? ओके, जैसे मैंने बोला था, C1 से C7 क्या है? इट्स अ बंच ऑफ बोन व्हिच इज जॉइंट, एक के ऊपर एक रखा गया है और बीच में पिल्लो रख दिया है. इट्स अ कुशन. ओके, वो क्यों होता है? स्पाइन काय के लिए होता है? मोबिलिटी के लिए. अगर स्पाइन नहीं होता, हमारा हेड अटैच नहीं होता, हमारा लोअर बॉडी अटैच नहीं होता. ओके, सो स्पाइन इज दैट इम्पोर्टेंट. काइनेटिक चेंज, एक काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्रिएट करता है. सी, वी आर रनिंग, सो इट इज क्रिएटिंग द एनर्जी. मतलब वो आपको वोबल नहीं होने देता है, एक वो वाइब्रेशन एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है. इट क्रिएट्स अ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके, स्ट्रक्चरल सपोर्ट, अपर बॉडी को, लोअर बॉडी को, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. इसके लिए देखो, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पीछे है, वर्टेब्रल कॉलम आगे है, ताकि इट प्रोटेक्ट्स दैट पार्ट. ओके, और इट क्रिएट्स द शॉक अब्जॉर्प्शन. अब बेसिकली ये ना किसको फील होगा ना, जब आप टू व्हीलर में जा रहे हो, कोई बड़ा पोथोल आ गया, आप वो पोथोल से जा रहे हो, तो एक सडन जर्क आता है, यू फील. अगर ये स्पाइनल कॉर्ड नहीं होता ना, तो आपको एकदम यू वुड हैव फेल्ट अ मेजर इंजरी. ओके, गोइंग नेक्स्ट. जनरली बैक पेन है ना, एल्डर्स में ही देखा गया है, ओल्ड पीपल में ही देखा गया. बट दिस वर्क फ्रॉम होम, sitting inside the home, even the younger children are facing this. Believe me, I got two cases where uh, two kids, basically a boy, they got pain at their lower back due to wrong posture, wrong sitting. So we need to guide our children, please sit properly. If you want to lie down, completely lie down, take the support of your elbow. We need to guide, which we would be learning in the second session. Okay, अभी यंग वर्सेस ओल्ड स्पाइन, सी जनरली यंग लोग का तो स्ट्रॉन्ग ही रहेगा, ओके, ओल्ड का वीक हो जाएगा ड्यू टू द एज गैप एंड आर ग्रोथ, ओके, यंग स्पाइन स्ट्रॉन्ग बोन्स, old spine weak bone क्योंकि they go into osteoporosis if you don't take your calcium properly. If you lack calcium D3, it goes slowly and gradually as you grow old, it goes into a osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is nothing but you can uh, cracks आ जाते हैं bone में and the bones become hollow and weak, okay. Then young spine would be always be healthy, they can bear much more pain also, okay, well hydrated, elastic disc होता है, and old का तो less elasticity, they cannot bend also as they grow, okay. Flexible vertebral column होता है, load tolerant, जैसे मैंने बोला, they can absorb more, they can bear more pain, able to repair damage. अगर कोई younger one injure कर लेता है, see I started my fitness journey because of my lower back injury, lack of awareness, so मैंने deadlift किया, I got myself injured and I was bedridden for 1.5 months. So that's how I started into a rehab and my fitness journey started. So it is very important. You need to experience. और ऐसा नहीं आप experience खुद करो. If someone is guiding you, you need to learn from them also. Otherwise, you will be wasting your time and cost. Okay. Old spine, reduce mobility of vertebral segment. They can't move also properly. Degenerative changes. Osteoporosis में जाएगा, herniated disc जाएगा. We would be seeing this all in the second session. Okay. Now, see causes of the pain and impair function. The basic cause is wrong posture, sitting, standing, or sleeping. This is the very common wrong posture, even the wrong training. Like me, I injured my lower back because of my wrong training, wrong lack of awareness, watching the YouTube videos and seeing it. Okay. हम क्या करते हैं, यूट्यूब में जाते हैं, सीखते हैं, बट कितना वेट उठाना है, क्या लेवल पे प्रेशर करना है, वी डोंट कंसिडर दैट, विच इज utmost important. If you are watching YouTube, please watch, it's a good source of knowledge, but make sure you apply very aptly. Okay. Now next, कंप्रेशन फ्रैक्चर ऑन द, अगर कोई आपको फ्रैक्चर आ गया है, ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, ये ओल्ड पीपल में ज्यादा देखा जाता है, जब वो गिर जाते हैं उनका हिप इंजरी होता है या तो लोअर बैक इंजरी होता है, सीधा फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है, ओके। साइटिका जो मैंने बोला था, लोअर बैक का पेन सीधा आपके लेग्स पे जाएगा, टिंगलिंग होगा, पिंच, बेसिकली ये नर्व पिंच हो जाता है तभी वो पेन होता है। न्यूरोजेनेटिक क्लॉडेशन, मतलब आप, ये कैसे होगा, आपके नर्व्स में ना कुछ इश्यू हो जाएगा, क्लॉट, it would be basically a cloth like thing. With arthritis, if you are into rheumatic arthritis, it is advisable to do yoga and pranayam very properly. It will help to maintain it. एक time आप rheumatic arthritis zone में जाओगे, it becomes very difficult. Okay. Now see, I'm going fast. नहीं तो वो थोड़ा theory हो जाता है, people feel bored. This is the normal desk. Okay. This is the normal desk. नॉर्मल डिस्क कैसे, गैप देखिए दो बोन्स के बीच में, ऐसा है। डीजेनरेटिव डिस्क मतलब बीच में क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं, ओके, दिस इज द डीजेनरेटेड डिस्क। हाँ, नाउ बल्जिंग डिस्क बेसिकली व्हाट डज मीन, स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली जो कुशन है, इट्स लाइक अ जेली कुशन, इट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली कम्स आउट, तभी वो आपको पेन फील होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। दिस इज द हर्निएटेड डिस्क, मतलब आपको स्लिप डिस्क हो गया है बेसिकली, अगर वो जो डिस्क के बोन दो वर्टेब्रल बॉडी से बाहर आ रहा है, इट इज अ स्पॉन्डिलोसिस, ओके। एंड थिनिंग भी होगा, थिनिंग से क्या होगा, आपके दो बोन्स के बीच में वो घसता रहेगा, ओके। फिर देन दिस इज द डिस्क जनरेशन विद ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस फॉर्मेशन है, बिकॉज आपका बोन भी डाइल्यूट हो रहा है एंड आपका डिस्क भी डाइल्यूट हो रहा है। Okay, this we would be learning in the second session. Okay, these are all what we would be learning. So I'm stopping here. We'll start with the mobility. Come on, remove spotlight. Can you all see me? Perfect. Chalo, start. Wait. One more thing I need to show you. I'm sharing the screen. Muscles का मैं एक बार बता देता हूँ. How does the muscles work? Okay. See, last time मैंने बताया था. This trapezius muscle is basically आपका neck pain या upper back के pain के लिए indication होगा. Okay. Now next. This is the lats. Lats बोलते हैं basically mid back and lower back pain होगा. So this muscle is impacted. I'm not going in detail. I'm explaining. अभी ये है rhomboid major and rhomboid minor. Okay, this two part is rhomboid. Okay, ये क्या करता है? ये आपके scapula को, this is the scapula, the bony part. ये आपके scapula को retract करता है. माधुरी दीक्षित, the last time I have taught. मतलब close, it will take you closer and it will take it away. Okay, now next. Basically this ये क्या है? Superior and inferior. Okay, basically ये ribs को आपके support करता है. जो नीचे वाला है exhalation में support करता है और जो ऊपर वाला है वो inhalation में support करता है. Okay. Okay, this is capitis जो आपके neck movement को backward and forward में करता है और side bending में help करता है. Okay, now this is सबसे बड़ा which comes from your lower part of the brain and it goes till the tailbone. अगर आपके tailbone में pain है तो basically this is the reason आपके ये muscles impacted है. And this is iliocostalysis. Okay, ये भी same reason. Okay, and this is आपके ribs के पीछे का cover है. External costal muscles. Okay, we'll study till here. You got that basically overview आपको समझा? अब you don't remember the name, ये वो muscle क्या करता है? So that you have, हाँ मेरे ये muscles में pain है, so I need to focus on that part. Okay. So we'll start with the mobility. Okay. The first mobility exercise is child pose. You can do this with chair, you can do this with wall, or you can do with the sofa. How to do it? Simply, let me adjust. Can you see me? Okay. Simply. This can be done in standing posture also. This is the chair, this is the yoga chair. You can do with the normal chair also. Simply, आपको एक comfortable distance maintain करना है, and you slowly and gradually bend, hands on the chair, and simply bend down. You may also bend your knee also. Basically, we are not focusing on our hamstring muscle. We are focusing on complete back. Okay, stretch yourself completely and slowly come up. Do this for 3 to 5 times. Come on, everyone, start doing it. Requesting other, please switch on your video. Perfect. Anamika, perfect. Ram, perfect. Come on, Tej. Others, please switch on your videos. Perfect. This can also be done with the wall. Simply go to the wall and stretch it. Okay, just bend your knee. Otherwise, आपका पूरा stretch hamstring में आ जाएगा. Okay, you got this part clear? Come on. Now with the next thing. Now next is the puppy pose. It is combination of child pose only. Simply you would be coming on your knee. Slowly and gradually you would be going forward. Make sure your knees to your hips is 90 degrees. And you would be completely stretching. You need to feel stretch at the shoulder and your complete back. Make sure this is 90 degree. Yeah? Stretch it completely. Perfect. Jyoti, please switch on your video. Sudhir, same with you. Perfect. You got this? The first one was the child stretch. The other was the puppy stretch. Okay. Now next is elbow stretch. Basically ये मेरे साथ नहीं होता है perfect stretch. Why? Because my shoulder are broad. Doing gymming, my back basically जो मेरा lats मैंने बताया था lats muscle वो काफी stiff है मेरे. So I find it very difficult to do it. You may see the gymming से आपके body को कितना problem होता है. It becomes strong, but it lacks flexibility. Okay. Simply take the chair, or you may do this at the bed or in the sofa. Simply आपको both the elbows आपको chair पे रखना है. Basically कैसे है ना, आपको पहले elbows रखने हैं, then down जाना है. If you notice, I am not able to go down also because of my bigger lats muscle and stiffness. Okay, how I'll do it? जिस किसी का भी stiff है, how they need to do it? I first take my head down and keep my elbow, and I interlock my finger and I stretch. And you need to exhale. This is a very good stretch on your mid back and upper back. And breathe. Inhale, exhale, hold it. Hold it, say 1 minute. You can hold this for 1 minute. Make sure you are not holding your breath. Generally, there is a tendency of holding the breath. Come on. Release. Perfect. Anamika is quite flexible. Good, Tej. Simply do a bicep curl. Interlock the finger and do bicep curl. तो आपको feel होता है कौन सा muscle move हो रहा है. You need to experience the muscle movement also. Then आप कुछ भी करो, आपको मजा ही आएगा. Perfect. Others, please switch on your videos. I can rectify your mistake. Perfect. Come on. Okay. So these three are more related to child pose only. Okay. By variations. Okay. Now the next. For next. Okay. For next activity, we require a pillow. Take a pillow. Keep at your lower back. Okay. And always get into one side. Don't go this and lie. It creates pressure at your lower back. If you are young, you may not feel the pain. If you are elderly, then you might pain feel or आपको cramps आ सकता है. Always get into one side, lie down. See, this is my ortho pillow, तो वो पूरा shape ले लेता है. So I'll put 2 pillows. Okay. आपके upper buttocks जमीन पे रहने चाहिए. Okay. The upper buttocks should be on the floor. See, even if I'm going this way, I'm taking the support of the elbow. Okay. आपको simply क्या करना है? See, whenever you lie down, there is a gap at your lower back because of the curved S shape. So आपको ये curve को straight करना है. How will you do? Pillow on your buttocks. Simply raise your leg and pull it. Comfortable distance between both the legs and pull it. So इससे क्या होगा? जो curve है ना वो straight हो जाएगा. Now you need to do this mobility. Release, straight your knee. Release, straight your knee. And hold it. Hold it for few seconds, then release. Do this for five times. Okay. When you are making your legs straight, inhale. When you are bringing the knee closer, exhale. Perfect. Let me check. Do not interlock it. Do not interlock. Give comfortable distance. Very good. Knee straight, inhale, knee bend, exhale. Hold it for few seconds. Okay. Whenever you are getting up, take the support of the elbow. Perfect. तेज आपको बटक्स को पिल्लो के नीचे रखना है. हाँ. See, I am sitting on the pillow, then I am going down. हाँ. Keep the pillow below your buttocks. हाँ. Perfect. Everyone, this is clear. You felt वो जो आपका कर्व है वो स्ट्रेट हो रहा है. वो स्ट्रेट करना भी very important है. Okay. Now next is with the pillow only. We get down sideways. Now keep, either you can place both the hands forward or backward. Okay. Then make your legs 90 degrees. I'm adjusting the pillow. Okay. Now I am taking the pillow till my lower back, mid back. Okay. Buttocks till lower back, mid back. Okay. Simply I'll make it 90 degree. Okay. You hold this. You may do this with the wall support also. Okay. ये क्या करेगा, आपका ब्लड फ्लो लोअर रीजन से लेकर लोअर बैक तक इंप्रूव करेगा. ओके. नाउ आफ्टर होल्डिंग दिस फॉर 1 minute, what you'll do, you'll do this movement. Not bicycle, basically bending the knee. Now you feel which muscles are moving. इसमें आपको पता भी चल जाएगा आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग कितने वीक है. Okay, if you feel heaviness, that means you have a pain at your shin bone. Okay, if you feel your legs are getting bit heavy, that means आपके shin bone is quite weak. There is a pain. Okay, then relax. Now get into one side. Take the elbow support whenever you get up. Perfect. Always get into one side and sit. Others, please switch on your video. Okay, so we did 3 variation of child pose, 2 variation of pillow. Okay, now next. This is my one of the favorite exercise. Okay, so basically this is a cow and cat pose, Marjarasan A or B. We come to box posture. Okay, I'll show in a diagonal view. We come in box posture. Okay, comfortable distance, shoulder distance hand, shoulder distance leg. Okay, and legs are not interlocked. The legs, even the feet are in the distance of your shoulder. You simply do this mobility. Look at the ceiling, then lock your chin. You do this activity for 10 counts. Perfect. 10 counts. When you are going backward, inhale. When you are coming forward, exhale. Even the breathing patterns helps to remove the pain. Slowly. Hold for 1 or 2 seconds. Ram, try to look at the ceiling. Do it again. Try to look at the ceiling. Ram, do it once more. Look at the ceiling. There is a stiffness at your neck muscles. Huh? You need to do the mobility of your neck muscle. Come on. Others were perfect, quite flexible. Relax. Have a sip of water. Okay. So basically, this is bed bed mobility. You can do this when you go to bed or when you get up. You can do this mobility on your bed itself. Okay. Shall we start the next? Okay. Now next is a open book. Let me adjust the camera for open book. Okay. Yeah. See, what you'll do, you'll lie down, knee bending, okay, and hands like this. Can you see this? Can you give me thumbs up? Okay. So simply what you'll do, the right hand, I'm lying down on my right side. Okay. I'll simply, I'm opening the pages of the book, only the left arm. Okay. I'll go till my left side. Let me adjust myself. Okay. I'm opening the book. I'm closing the book. Opening the book. In here, you'll feel the twisting of your back. Okay. You'll feel it. And the same way you have to do with the other side. Hold it. You hold for 3 seconds, then you close the book. You again open the book, hold it for 3 seconds, then close the book. You got it? Do each side 10 counts, hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Do it slowly. Feel the movement of the muscle. Very slow, do it. I did it very fast. You do it very slow. Harry, please switch on your video. Jyoti, please switch on your video. Sudhir, switch on your video so that I can rectify. Now do with the breathing pattern. As you open the book, inhale. As you close the book, exhale. Very good, Anamika. Do it slow, very slow. The slower you do, the better you get. Perfect. Do with the other side. 10 counts other side. See, basically, this is still mobility. We have not entered the yogasans. Always get into one side and lie down. Keep this habit. Very good. Inhale as you open, exhale as you close. Feel the twist at your back. Yeah, better. Hurry, you go very slow. Basically, you should do this mobility very slow. If you have pain, you know your limits. You can keep a small cushion. Hurry, if you are facing pain, na, you do what? एक है ना योगा पिल्लो आता है, एक गोल जैसा होता है. If you don't have this, simply roll the napkin, keep it at L4 and L3 and L4 जहाँ पे आपका rupture है. So keep that, it will support. Okay, the pillow is much better. एक योगा पिल्लो आता है, this form का. वो बेसिकली लोअर लंबर रीजन के लिए ही होता है. एंड बिकॉज आपका लोअर लंबर रीजन ऐसे कर्व है, सो द पिलो इज मेड लाइक फॉर दैट ओनली. So you can buy the pillow also. Just go on Amazon, search yoga pillow. ये इतने साइज का ही होता है and गोल होता है. Say this is the lumbar and you place it here. Okay, perfect. Shall we do आपको कुछ फील हुआ आपके बैक ट्विस्टिंग पे? You felt something? Okay, now next. The next is like open book only. It is my favorite. Okay, आपको पॉप करके आवाज भी साउंड आएगा. It's okay. No need to worry. अगर आपको वो साउंड आ गया, that means your back is completely perfect. I usually get this sound. Okay. इसे क्या कहते हैं? Twisting the vertebral column. It is same like open book only. I'll show you in a modified posture. First, I'll show you the basic. If you have pain, go slow. जैसे मैंने नेक मसल पे बताया था, नेक पेन पे अगर आप राइट साइड जा रहे हो, आपको यहाँ पे पेन फील हुआ है, यू स्टॉप हियर, देन यू गो टू द अदर साइड. नहीं तो आप और एक्सटेंड करोगे, द पेन विल एलिवेट. ओके, नाउ आई एम शोइंग द twisting, the modified open book, how to do it. Okay, now can you all see me? Perfect. I'm lying down. What I'll do, I'll simply raise my right leg, bend my knee. First, I'm showing the base one. Left hand on the right knee, left hand on the right knee, and pull the right leg to the left and head to the right. It's like open book only, if you notice. Try to touch the knee to the left side, right knee, left side, and head towards right. And you hold it. See, I got a pop sound. I feel much better. And you breathe, inhale and exhale in this position. Then same way with the other side. Raise your left, bend it, right hand, left knee, right hand, left knee. Pull it. See, I got pop sound here also. Breathe. You will hold for 10 breaths. Okay? Come on, do this. If you have a lower back pain, do as per your own capacity. Don't push yourself. Leg going left and head going right. Then leg going right, head going left. Contralateral movement. That is opposite side. Hold it for 10 breaths. Huh? Inhale, exhale slowly. So that आपका अगर कुछ भी spasm भी रहेगा, slowly and gradually वो release हो जाएगा. Head to the opposite side. If your leg going right, head going left. Perfect. Tejpal, always take the support of the elbow. You need to practice this. Huh? Because अभी pain feel नहीं होता है. Once you grow old, तभी वो pressure feel होता है. All clear? Shall we proceed further? Get into one side. This was much better. This create more pressure than open book. Did you feel this create more pressure? This is very good. You need to do this when the pain minimizes. Then only you should do. This is for twisting the back and strengthening it. Okay. Should I show you the level 2 on the same thing? Okay. The level 2 is nothing but the leg going 90-degree and touching the palms. Okay. I have a space constraint. Still, I will show it to you. Okay. How to do it. Okay. See, hands are here, 90-degree. Okay, like a cross. We raise our leg, we take it to the palms. See, it almost goes to my palms. Then again come back the same way to the other side. Okay. This will create not only pressure on your lower back, but it will create pressure on your buttocks and hamstring. Do as per your capacity. Okay. जनरली ये कैसे करते हैं? ये ना रोप से करते हैं. You tie a rope on your ankle and you pull it. If it is not going near to your arms. Come on, everyone, shoot without bending the knee. Raise it first 90 degree, then slowly and gradually take it down. And hold it. Hold it for 10 breaths or as per your capacity. See, even you will realize whether your hips are mobile or not. So please attend 20th session. Okay. Even the hips mobility matters a lot. Perfect. Even you will feel अगर आपका hamstring weak stiff है, आपके knee completely straight नहीं होंगे. And it is a good pain. अगर आपको pain हो रहा है, that means it's a good pain, sweet pain. Come on, now get into one side, stand, sit on your mat. Till here, any doubt you have? Ram, any doubt till here? Okay, now one standing mobility. Please adjust your camera. Please, everyone stand up. Okay, now basically two standing mobility. See, I have this TRX. Okay, what I do, I hold the TRX, elbows close to each other, and I bend. Okay, with my knee straight. But आपके head के नीचे TRX नहीं होना चाहिए. If you don't have the TRX, the next step is what? Go to the door. Okay, दोनों डोर पे हाथ रखिए, one leg forward, other leg backward, and you push yourself forward. Simply आपका scapula क्या होगा? Retract हो जाएगा. And come back. Go to the door. Place both the hands at the door corner and simply lean forward. Come back. Okay, either the TRX or either the door. Come on, everyone, do it. Go to the door and do it. Not on the wall. Wall से इतना pressure नहीं आएगा scapula पे जितना door और TRX से आएगा. पूरा मतलब your body should go beyond the door. Okay, the body should go beyond the door. This is the door. I'm going beyond the door, creating pressure on your mid back, that is near the scapular muscle. आपका traps, lats और longissimus, rhomboid सब इस पे pressure आएगा.
Knee will get bent, no? Knee will be
one leg. The leg which is forward now will get bent.
ठीक है.
Okay, done. Come forward again, back to the camera. Now in day to day we do forward bend, we do a bit of side bend. Okay, we hardly do any back bend. We would be learning the back bending asanas in the third session. Okay, now the side bend. Please join your legs. Okay, now hook your elbow, hook your opposite elbow. Okay, exhale and go towards your right. First inhale, basically inhale, then slowly exhale and go towards your right. But make sure you are not leaning forward, you are laterally bending. If you are not comfortable, simply give comfortable distance between both the legs so that you can lean much more down. Hold it. Slowly come up. Inhale and come up. Perfect. And same way the other side. slowly come up. Now movement, right and left, without without the breathing pattern. You should know your capacity. Yeah? Don't push yourself. Okay, relax. After this, do little bit shoulder mobility because काफी pressure create होता है. Reverse. Okay. Now few more mobility. You can do this once you get up or once you go to the bed. This can be done. Okay. Now next. This is you'll feel the pain in this next mobility. You'll feel the pain if your hamstring and your back is stiff. Okay. How to do it? You go in a plank position basically. Okay. You go to you go in a sho- straight shoulder plank position. Okay. Then you take your leg forward, low lunges. You may keep the knee down. Okay. जो पैर आपका पीछे है, you may keep the knee down. If you want give more pressure, come to your elbows. Okay. Then same way, open book. Same side 5 times. अगर आपका right leg is forward, you would be raising the right leg, opening the book. In this, you will feel pressure on your hamstring only, but pressure is more on your hamstring, but still your back is getting activated. Okay, the same way the other side. Inhale, exhale. When you open the book, you inhale. When you close the book, exhale. Perfect. This is the advanced mobility. Huh? Take your leg more forward. जितना आपका leg forward रहेगा, उतना आपको stretch मिलेगा. But the more stretch is on your hamstring, that's why you won't feel at your back. But your back is also working. Perfect. Tejpal done? Perfect. Once it is done, have a sip of water. Relax for a while. Okay, come on. Shall we proceed? Perfect. Okay. Now, next is bird dog movement. Okay, how to do it? You come in a box pose. Okay, contralateral movement. Right leg, left hand, right leg. Okay, simply you would be raising. Come back, then the other side. Do this activity for 10 counts total. Check in your camera whether your legs and hands are 90 degree or not. Perfect. Total 10 counts, then have a sip of water, relax for a bit. I hope others are also doing it. Okay. See, in this advanced asana, advanced mobility or asana or any advanced heavyweight exercise, if you feel breathlessness, that means you have a weak lung capacity. So you to start focusing on your increasing backward bend exercise. Backward bend exercise से क्या होता है, आपका lungs capacity काफी improve होता है. Only if you feel breathlessness during any advanced mobility exercise or yoga, it's an indication. I need to focus on my breathing pattern also. Okay. Now in this, if you want to do advance in bird dog also, simply you will bring your elbow and your knee closer. If you want to do it much more advanced level, simply box pose, raising, taking it closer, then relax. Then same way the other side, closer, relax. You got it? This is advanced if you want to do it. Okay. Now next is dead bug. अपने वो क्या बोलते हैं, डेड बग बेसिकली वो बेड बग होते हैं ना. When the bed bug do a supine posture, it is known as dead bug. Okay. We get into one side, we lie down on the supine. Okay. We are in this posture. Okay. In box pose only. Okay. But in supine posture. Same way. ये आपके बैक को मोबिलिटी करेगा. You got it? The same way in bird dog, you are lying down and doing it. Just the elbows are bent. Okay, do it very slow. Focus on your lumbar region, whether it is getting, the curve is getting straight or not. Anamika, bend your elbow. Yeah, now do it. Do it very slow. Dead bug has to be done very slow. Make your leg 90 degree. Anamika, 90 degree. Legs. Perfect. Total 10 counts. Okay, perfect. Now get into one side. Have a sip of water. I have sent this PDF sheet on the chat also. You can download it later. So still there are more few asana to add in, to be added. I'll add it. I'll send the revise further. Okay. Till here it is done. See, it's too much, but you can watch. You can again watch the video and you can again always practice it. Okay. The main thing is that your form and your concept are clear. आपको कैसा किधर pressure देना है, so that you won't injure yourself. Till here it is clear. Everyone give me thumbs up if it is clear. If it is not, thumbs down, unmute and ask me down. Okay. Now next. Then okay. So till here we or mobility hai. We don't go further. We'll stop it here only. Okay. The mobility part is done. Now we come to asanas. Have a sip of water, take a break. Now we won't get break till 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Then we'll do savasana. Savasana, the best pain releaser is Savasana. उससे ही सबसे बेस्ट आपका पेन चला जाएगा. If you feel any pain, go to Savasana. Focus on that pain. We'll do at the end of the session. Okay. Shall we start the asanas? The first one. Let me adjust the camera. Okay. The first asana is Dandasana. It might look very simple, but believe me, अगर आपका back का curvature, the S shape has been compromised, you will feel pain. Maybe look simple, but it's not, only and only if your back has been compromised. How to do it? Dandasana. Okay. First, you are in relaxed posture. Then you join your legs, hands beside your buttocks, and elbow straight. Okay. You would be holding this posture for 1 minute, 2 minutes. The knees should not get bent. Generally, the knees get bent. The knee has to be joined, legs joined, hands beside the buttocks, and elbow straight. And you sit in this posture. Can you see my back is straight? So you have to sit this in this posture 2 minutes. Wait, relax everyone. I'll set the timer. Wait. Let's test. We should know now whether our back posture is correct or not. I'm setting the timer for 2 minutes. Wait. Okay. In 3, take the posture. Everyone, come on, go to the stance. In 3, 2, 1, go. 2 minutes. Huh? You can breathe also. Mr. Vakaria, body move forward. Move forward. You are leaning back. Move forward. You are leaning backward. You should not lean backward. Body straight in 90 degree. "20 seconds done. Keep breathing. If you feel pain, relax. Simply relax. Those who can hold it. The hand should be just beside the buttocks. Tejpal, elbow straight. Elbow straight. Hand, palms is on the floor. You can take the support of the palm. It's okay. Almost 1 minute done. Chin parallel, look straight, look forward. Keep breathing. We are testing our back strength. More 50 seconds. Keep breathing. If it is hurting, then relax. Go to relax posture. 40 seconds remaining. Keep breathing. Even the breathing pattern will remove the spasm, if any. 30 seconds more. Very good. "20 seconds. Keep breathing. "10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax, everyone. Relax completely. You felt it is very simple to look, but so difficult to maintain. Mr. Vakaria, you are having trouble with your back. You need to do mobility training very regularly. Okay, you are leaning backward. Even same with Ram. You are bending, upper posture was bending down. Okay, Anamika, perfect. Mr. Kundu, you were facing at the end some difficulty. Otherwise, even you were perfect. Tejpal, perfect. Earlier, your form was not perfect, but at the end, you maintained it. Others,
One
I
question.
don't know. Yeah, please.
I was feeling pain in my lower back.
That means your back.
In this.
So that means your hip. You need to mobilize your hip. Okay. Some कभी कभी लगता है हमारे लोअर बैक पे पेन है ना, तो लोगों को लगता है कि लोअर बैक में इश्यू है, बट द पेन the pain would be due to your weak hamstring, that is stiff hamstring. Second, stiff glute muscles. Okay, this two may be the reason, or there might be some congestion. See, you are young, so some congestion रहेगा unless and until you met with an injury. You got it? You need to mobilize your hip, you need to mobilize your hamstring muscle. You got it? See, all those muscles are interrelated, are attached. जो हमने एनाटॉमी में देखा था, जो मैंने ऐप ओपन किया था, सो यू नीड टू रियलाइज कौन सा पार्ट आपको एक्टिवेट करना है. Once you go into detail, you will realize much more. This first asana is clear, Dandasana. Okay, the next asana is Padmasana. Majorly everyone knows it, how to do it. किसी का hamstring stiff रहेगा, knee stiff रहेगा, they won't be able to do it, but they can practice. First, I'll show you how to go in Padmasana, very simple way. It's very simple. हम Padmasana क्यों कर रहे हैं? It's same like Dandasana, to check our posture. Okay. Can you see me? I'm in Dandasana. I bend my right knee. Okay. I place it laterally down with my both hand. Left, अगर आपका right leg है, left hand would be holding the toes. Right hand holding the heel. जो same, suppose right leg है तो right hand heel. Left leg है तो left hand heel. Okay. You hold like a baby. Okay. You twist it. You place it on your ear. Okay. Then you take the other leg closer. If you are not able to do it, you simply place the other leg below the right thigh. If you are able to do it, same. Right hand, left toes, left hand, left heel. You pick it up like a baby, you place it, and you cup your knee and you sit straight. Now look, in Padmasana, what's happening? My back goes to in a normal shape. Okay. If you are unable to sit in both leg Padmasana, simply the other leg back. If you are not able to sit in one leg Padmasana, you will simply do this mobility exercise. Same with the other side. Because your abductor muscle, the muscle at near your groin, it's stiff. The abductor muscles, it's stiff. Come on, adjust your camera so that I can see the lower base. Perfect. Tejpal, perfect. Cup your knee. Cup your knee, elbow straight. Sit straight. Raise your chest high. Keep breathing. Hold for 20 breaths. Very good. Superb. Mr. Kundu, raise your chest. Raise your chest up. Don't relax. Raise it. Perfect. Imagine, अब फील करो आपका कौन से पार्ट ऑफ द बैक में पेन है. Then you can do the mobility of that part. Perfect. Slowly release and relax. Relax. You got this? You know why we are doing this? To make our back straight. Generally क्या होता है ना, over the period हमने अपना back posture है ना खराब कर दिया. We went into this posture. Okay? तो एक दिन में वो ठीक नहीं होगा. So we have to lock the base and practice. Okay? So that's why we are doing it. Why I am answering this, why I am telling this, because some people will realize हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, कुछ back का तो mobility नहीं हो रहा है. We are making our try to making our back straight. You got this? Even 3-4 asana is making just to make our back straight. Shall we proceed for the next? Okay. Now next, we come to Dandasana. We fold our leg at one side. We sit on our heels and toes. Okay, come on. Comfortable distance between the knee and try to sit as straight as possible. Okay, it will create pressure on your toe. It is good for diabetic patient. Okay, this asana is known as Padangusthasana. Okay, pressuring your toes. It is good for diabetic patient. Try to make your back as straight as possible. Okay, I can't do it. I can't sit because I have injured my knee 3-4 days ago. Before. Perfect. Comfortable distance between knee, Anamika. Give distance. जितना आप डिस्टेंस दोगे उतना आपके पैरों पे प्रेशर आएगा, टोस पे. Okay. Now in this posture, you simply slide your hands to the floor, make a V shape. We are sitting into Vajrasana. Join your knee. If you are facing trouble with your knee or ankle, simply roll the towel and place it below your knee or place it below your ankle. And hands on your groin, elbow closer. See, when this posture is good for you, making your back straight. Ideally, after eating your food, you need to sit in Vajrasana. It helps to digest your food quicker. Okay, now the next. In the same way, you are sitting in Vajrasana only. You place right hand back, left hand back. You relax. It is Supta Vajrasana. The level 1. In this also, there are level 2, level 3. But as of now, we are doing level 1. Simply relax your back. Pull your lower back, make a curve at your lower back. Push your stomach up without raising the buttocks. Take your scapula closer. You will feel more stretch. Relax slowly. Make your head straight. Left hand forward, right hand forward. Okay. Now, in this posture only, you go to dog pose. That is Svanasana. What is Svanasana? Basically, hands beside your knee. Okay. And looking at the ceiling. Like cow and cat pose we did now, the cow pose. If you don't feel any pressure, you will come on your toes. Come on your fingertips. Look here. I'm on my fingertips because my back is quite stiff. I need to come on my fingertips and look up. More than 90 degree, you should seeing the ceiling. Breathe, close your eyes, feel the stretch at your lower back. Elbow need to be straight. Open your eyes, relax, release the asana. Relax. Release the asana and relax. Now you got it. From Dandasana, we went to Padmasana. Okay. Then we again from Dandasana, we went to Padangusthasana. From Padangusthasana, we went to where? Vajrasana. From Vajrasana, we went to Supta Vajrasana, the level 1. There are more difficult asana also. Then after Supta Vajrasana, we went to Svanasana, dog pose, then we release. Till here it is concept clear. I'll show it once more. Just a quick demo. Okay. Okay. See, I'm showing it quickly. Dandasana, Padangusthasana, then Vajrasana, then Supta Vajrasana, then Svanasana. After Svanasana, again Dandasana. Okay. At the end, day 3, I'll recap the entire asana in a flow so that you won't forget it. Till here it is clear. Any doubt? Let's do 2 more asanas. It's all mentioned in the book on the PDF. Okay. Now, the next is child pose. We need to sit in Vajrasan, comfortable distance between both the knee. Okay. In this, your hips should not get raised. Okay. My generally get raised because of my stiffness in my body. Okay. Make sure your hips are not getting raised. आपका जहाँ भी hips raise हो गया, at that point you need to relax. Okay. What I'll do, I slide to the floor. I tap, 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 go slowly. I'm going slow till my hips are getting raised. My hips are still touching the heels. Okay, here my hips get raised. Now here what I'll do, I'll relax. I'll keep my forehead on the floor and I relax. After 10 breaths, 20 breaths, what I'll do, I simply take my hands behind, keep it below the ankle and try to pull the hips closer to the heels. Why? Because due to my stiffness. अगर आपका complete forward stretch होता है, you are able to do this, you won't be doing this activity. You got it? Come on, let's do it. Go to Vajrasan first. Tap, 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 go slowly, very slowly. जहाँ पे आपका hips raise हो गया, that is your point. You need to relax. Try to touch the forehead to the floor. Perfect. Now take your hands back. Try to touch your buttocks to the heels. Ankle below your ankle hands and pull it. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly and gradually come to the child pose and slowly come back. In step back, come back. Till here it's clear. Any doubt you have? Any pain, anyone? Any pain, anyone? No pain? Perfect. Okay. Now last and final asana for the day. Okay. It's Marjarasana A and B only, but we are holding it. We are not doing mobility posture. We are simply holding it. Okay. We go to box pose. Okay. Now first we'll do Marjarasana A. We relax our back. Focus on the abdomen. Let the gravity pull the abdomen to the floor. Okay. And elbow straight. Simply and gradually look at the ceiling. I can see till 70 degree because of my stiffness. You may say till 90 degree also, but don't force yourself. Okay. Yoga is all about not forcing, going till your limit, not elevating it. Okay. So this is Marjarasana A. You close your eyes, you focus on your breath. That is Prandharana. Even the breathing pattern will tell you where is the stiffness. I have a stiffness at my neck. I can feel it because मेरा air जाता है यहाँ पे अटक जाता है, थोड़ा congestion feel होता है. Okay. Now to Marjarasana B. Wait. What I'll do? Look, everyone here. One step back. Okay. The hands are closer to the knee, but it is not touching. Okay. I make a curve of my upper back and touch the chin to the chest. See here, I don't feel any stretch. Now what I'll do, I'll come on my tips of my hands, okay, tips of my finger, and I'll do it. Now I can feel much stretch. Because of my stiffness, I need to come up more. Then I do stretch. Now here I'll feel the pain here also. That means I have a bit lower back pain. Then I relax. Then I sit on my mat. You got it? For margin A, you need to hold for 20 breaths. B also, step back, hold for 20 breath. Therefore, your concepts are clear how to go into step-by-step formation. Come on, do it, everyone. Come on, Tejpal. Breathe. जब आप inhalation करते हो, you focus whether the breath is going till lungs or not. आपको कहाँ पे भी congestion feel हो रहा है, that means there is a stiffness. I have a stiffness here. After 20 breaths, make your back straight, step back, one step back, near to your knee, not touching. Then do the B. Legs are 90 degree only, Mr. Vakaria. Legs 90 degree. Legs are 90 degree, always 90 degree. Do not bend, it's 90 degree. Perfect, Tejpal. If you don't, in Marjarasana B, if you don't feel any stretch, then come on your fingertips. I need to come because of my stiffness of my body. Come on, relax. Till here, it's done. Quickly recap. We started with Omkar and prayer, then anatomy of bone, anatomy of muscle. Then we read that PDF. Pain क्यों होता है, back कैसा दिखता है. We read everything. Then after that, what we did, we came with the mobility training. The mobility is not mentioned in that PDF. I'll mention it. Okay. Now, after the mobility workout, we did the yoga asanas. Hardly we did. Okay. Till here, everything is clear. Now it's already 8:15. I was supposed to conduct till 8:15 only. Should we end? The Savashan we can conduct in the next Sunday session because next Sunday thoda sa hi theory part hai. Then it's all about asanas. We have lot of time to practice. Shall we end? Ram, you would like to say anything? Okay, come on, let's end the session with 10 chants of Omkar. Okay, simple. मैं बता देता हूँ why we do Omkar. When this universe was created, if you understand the story behind it, na, you would be able to practice much better. Like anatomy we learn, then we practice the yogasana. Then हमारा concept और clear होता है. फिर simple, same with the Omkar sadhana. The universe was created with a big bang. The bang sound was like boom. So that's why it is the first word of the world. So that's why it has a positive vibration. जो आपके सृष्टि के निर्माण के लिए कुछ वर्ड होगा, that will create a very good impact, positive impact within us. Only and only if we do it in the right way, in a positive way, and fully we do it. Okay. ओमकार आ उ म से बना गया है. Simply फर्स्ट ओ कैसे करते हैं, लिप्स को गोल करते हैं, ओ मकार लिप्स क्लोज करके करते हैं, with lips closer, the makar has a positive vibration. Now It is very difficult. Initially, it would be very difficult. मेरे को भी ये 6 months लगे सीखने में एंड फील करने में कि एक्चुअली ओंकार कहाँ से. ओंकार should start from the abdomen. It will take lot of time. Believe me, आपको जब वो ओंकार जब आप हम क्या करते हैं ओंकार. ओंकार is in various form, can be done in various form. First we'll learn the first form. Okay, we are doing today one only. It helps to remove the congestion at the back. That's why we are doing this. नहीं तो ये प्राणायाम सेशन में ले सकते थे. ओके, मैं आपको कुछ प्राणायाम नहीं करा रहा हूँ, सिर्फ ये ओंकार कराता हूँ बिकॉज ये आपका बैक का कंजेशन भी रिमूव करता है. आपको ये समझा ओंकार कैसे बोलते हैं? दिस स्टिल थिंक क्लियर? गिव मी थम्स अप इफ यू आर क्लियर. Okay, we'll do 10 chants of Omkar. Specifically you, Mr. Kundu and Mrs. Kundu, you will feel the positive vibration of both. Omkar not only हमारा ओंकार वाइब्रेशन हेल्प करता है बट दूसरे का वाइब्रेशन भी हेल्प करता है. वो कब हेल्प करेगा? जब आपका वॉइस सिंक होगा ना, देन यू विल फील उनका कुछ पॉजिटिव ऑरा मेरे अंदर आ रहा है. ओके, ओनली यू विल फील इट. ओके, let's do 10 chants of Omkar. Sitting cross leg, Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana. Cup your knee, back straight. First, close your eyes. Imagine yourself in cross leg position, preparing yourself for Omkar. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's inhale and start. Last one. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the positive vibration within you, around you. You may feel that some vibration is around you. You can feel something is touching you. It's creating pressure on your entire body. Good pressure. You can feel that your back is much more relaxed. You can compare it before we started the session. Slowly and gradually rub your both the palms, not your fingers. Place it on your closed eyes. Do it twice. Feel the warmness, feel the darkness. Even darkness improve your eyesight. Slowly release your hand, open your eyes. Thank you. Meet you on next Sunday. Please don't miss it. Be regular. If you have any doubt, please unmute yourself. Ask me your doubts. I hope you enjoyed the session, specifically the mobility part. You can practice
Yes.
once you get.
Very nice it was. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Shall we end the session? Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.